different regulations for building codes. So we work hand in hand with each individual municipality to find out where certain codes would be different within the system, because each region takes this building phase differently. Working with your general contractors will help save a lot of time with misinformation about the industry, making sure that you guys do your correct BTU calculations for your DHUs, all the way to making sure you make the max load on your AC calculation efficient and within your power needs. Sometimes people overdo the build out space and make it overcomplicated to make themselves feel better. And really, you want a functional grow that takes the least amount of time to work, and you can clean every nook and cranny every single time, all the time, for 100% consistency.
So that's where we're going to be a resource for you, because we have decades of commercial cultivation experience, and that's also nationwide, so we're going to know specifically for each individual state, and that's going to factor even into your weather patterns in those states.